In the first half of this lesson, students listened to 3 different accounts of a flash mob performance promoting Perkins' Chocolate Shop the Saturday before Valentine's Day. As you read the 3 witness statements, students will decide if they were made by Stephen, a 14-year-old boy, Lauren, a retired music teacher, or Pam, an emergency room doctor. The lesson leads them to the realization that because each person has a different focus because of age, profession, and personal interests, by combining the details of their stories, we have a clearer picture of what occurred. We relate this to the Synoptic Gospels, Matthew, Mark, and Luke. Each author remembered and emphasized certain details of the same events, and when put together, we notice some important details that add richness to the story. You will give your students a worksheet which records the events of Jesus and the children in Matthew, Mark, and Luke. Using colored pencils, students mark similar events in each passage. For instance, Matthew and Mark uses the term little children, while Luke chose babies. Putting these passages together, we can assume that the children were probably newborn to about age 6. No 12-year-olds here. Once completed, students can appreciate the importance of referring to parallel passages in order to get a deeper understanding of the text. PowerPoint slides are available as part of a bundle or sold individually and are helpful as your students follow along in the color coding process. Included in this lesson is an 8-page lesson plan with clear instructions and conversational wording that can be read or adapted. Jesus and the Children worksheet with parallel passages side by side for easy comparison, and the answer key with color-coded highlighted words.